Here at Gannon's Antiques and Art in Fort Myers, Florida, we have lots and lots of beautiful dish sets. This one that I want to show you today is particularly nice. It's made by one of the top names in porcelain, and it's called Royal Worcester. Royal Worcester is out of England. This is the fine bone china, very thin and strong. Beautiful, elegant. I don't know that you can see the design very well, but it's a very elegant black on white pattern, kind of elaborate, with nice gold trim around each piece. This is a serving for 8. It has the dinner plate, the lunch plate, the little dessert plate. It has cream soup. It has a cup and saucer. It's really complete, plus a few little extra serving pieces. And this, for top quality, which would easily be $1,200 in another shop, is only $5.95 here. It's laying on this beautiful dining room table. We probably have a dozen dining room tables of every size and shape. So if you're in the market for dining room china or dining room tables, this is a great place to come. As you can see in here, we have another one right behind me. This little 4-seater set is only $299. That's for the table and the chair. And then back behind me over here, we have a real antique from like the 1840s. That's a drop lid, not drop lid, but drop leaf table, and it's a gate leg. The leg swirls out, so you can have it as a small table or a larger table. And this is just 3 that happen to be right here where I'm standing. So come on in, take a look, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can see what else we have.